Hi everyone, I'm Mary Wall. Happy Tapping Tuesday. Here is your level 1 exercise for this week. Okay, so for this week's Tappin' Tuesday exercise, we are going to be doing some work with crawls. And level 1 is the first time I really introduce what is a true crawl to you. We are actually going to start off with the same exercise that the Never Too Late people did, and we're going to work our way towards an actual crawl. So you're going to start by tapping your toes on the floor 8 times, right foot. They're just touches. You're not going to pound. You're going to keep it kind of nice and light and just touch that ball tap to the floor. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to do 8 heel drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to pick up the toes, leave the heel on the floor, pivot the foot out, and do 8 toe drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're going to pick up the foot from the heel, leaving the toes on the floor, pivot that foot around so the heel is behind the toes, and do 8 more heel drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, on that 8th one, you're going to shift your weight over to the right foot. Now we're going to do the exact same thing on the left. So starting with those toe touches, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we do our heel drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot the foot out for toe drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pivot that heel behind for 8 more heel drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you're shifting your weight. It's on the left side. Now we are going to do the same thing again, but this time we're doing 4 of each. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, 2, 3, 4, toe out, 2, 3, heel behind. On the 4th one, shift your weight. We go to the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, 2, 3, 4, toe out, 2, 3, 4, behind. Shifting that weight. Okay, now we're going to go to 2 beats. So, and it's not uncommon for people to do what I call a 2-beat crawl, where you're hitting each thing 2 times. So you're going to go toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. We're going to do that again. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Then we're going to our singles. This is an actual crawl now. You're going to do toe, heel, out, behind, 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 toe, heel, out, behind. And that is the entire exercise. So let me tell you something. When I teach in the classroom and I see my students, my adult students, learning this for the first time, when we get to the 2 beats and the 1 beat crawls, they have a tendency to struggle. There's something about the coordination where you're not repeating things as much that is tricky. So practice these 2 things as much as you need to get the coordination of it. Make sure you're shifting your weight appropriately. So you're going to do this with the 2-beat crawls. And then you'll do the 1-beat crawls. I don't know why people find this difficult, but a lot of people do. So if you're struggling with it, that's okay. Just know you need to practice it a little bit more than maybe some of the other things that come easy to you. Okay. Let's walk through the entire exercise from the top. You're starting with your 8s, then you're doing your 4s, then you're doing 2 sets of the 2s, and then 4 sets of the singles. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and heel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, toes out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, heel behind, 2, 3, 4. Now we do the left foot for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and heel, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, toe out, 5, 6, 7, heel behind. Now we do 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, and heel, 2, 3, 4, toe out, 2, 3, 4, behind. Left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, and heel, 2, 3, 4, toe out, and behind. Now we do toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, left, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, again, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Here come our singles. We go toe, heel, out, behind, 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 toe, heel, out, behind. So really, those single ones, practice them as much as possible. If you need to go slower and really think about it, do that. Go as slow as you need to go. Then when you start to get comfortable with it, you can start working on taking it a little bit faster. Five, 6, 7, 8, and toe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and heel. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, toe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, heel behind. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, left foot goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and heel. 5, 6, 7, 8, toe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, heel behind, 2, 3, 4. Now we do 4 beats, 1, 2, 3, 4, heel, 2, 3, 4, toe, 2, 3, 4, and heel. Left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4, and heel, 2, 3, 4, toe out, 2, 3, 4, and heel. 2 beats, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. 2 beats again. Toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Singles. Toe, heel, out behind and toe, heel, out behind and toe, heel, out behind and toe, heel, out behind, toe, heel, out behind, toe, heel. Last set. Toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel.